Last night as I was getting ready for bed, I heard a very rumbling, loud sound, and it scared the crap out of me. And then I realized what it was. My roof slid. So, as you can see, there's just a little bit there on the upper side of the chimney, and a couple little pieces here and there, but it's cool that it finally did slide. I was getting a pretty good buildup, kind of like the lower roof did. I don't know if it's because I put that spray foam, or not the spray foam, but the foam board insulation up in the rafters or not, because the last about last week or so up here, it's been right in the 30-degree range, and even a lot of the times at 32, 33 degrees. So not sure if that's what did it, or if because I put the foam board up in the rafters created the right conditions for it to slide. But I'm happy it slid though. I'm hoping the next time I come out, the lower roof has slid like the upper roof has. I'm pretty sure that's a solid 3 feet of snow up on that roof, and if you look right at the edge, it is starting to slide a little bit. Mount Denali, the Great One, is out in all its glory today. It's 1:45 here at the cabin, and unfortunately my time has come to an end, so I gotta head back home. Please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment on what you like about it, or what you think about my riding skills, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Everyone have a good coming week.